This is a Norton hard translucent Arkansas model HM8. It's in its original box. It's never been knocked off the glue, which is nice. This particular one is 7 11/16 7-inch long, or 19.5 centimeters by 29/32 of an inch wide, or 4.8 centimeters by 27/32 of an inch deep, or 2.2 centimeters. No gravity rating because it's glued in the box. I'm not breaking that. But you can see it is quite translucent. It's not lapped by me, but it doesn't seem to be. Seems hardly used, to be honest with you. So it's still sort of in a factory condition with like the tiniest hint of having had something on it. Anyway, Norton HM8 hard Arkansas translucent. I thank you.